Hi, it's Jenny. Happy Tuesday. Welcome back to my channel. Today's weekly stamping collab was hosted by Judinka Nail Art. These are the manicures we prepared. Check the description box for links to everybody's video. Let's begin. I started off applying this Revlon color stay called Bold Sangria. Then I used H la Cosedora's purple stamping polish called Purple Rain. And I stamped different parts of this top image from the Maniology M091 stamping plate. This is the one that has the heart that my brother drew for me. It's just a subtle stamping as a background design. Now I'll use my H la Cosedora stamping plate called Eskimo Kisses, and I'll pick up a few designs from this one. I'll use a piece of tape to remove the parts of the image that I'm not going to use. These are the two images that I'm going to fill in. I'll use H la Cosedora stamping polishes to fill in the designs. Pink Candy and DaBaDee. Since the base that I have on is so dark, I want to make sure that these really pop out, so I'm going to apply a little bit of white polish on them too. Once they're dry, I'll be able to stamp them directly onto my nails. They're ready, so we can stamp them now. I'll put the umbrella on this nail and the little boot on this one. I'll use a nail polish to cover up the white. I went over the handle of the umbrella with this silver Maniology stamping polish called So Metal. It's not as bold as I would like for it to be, but it's okay for now, so I'm going to go ahead and apply a top coat. I'll be using my Sally Hansen matte top coat. Once the matte top coat dries, this is the completed manicure, and I love the way it looks. The matte really makes the image pop a lot more, and I love the end result. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!